Going on guys, it's MG here and I'm back with another video for you guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you what YouTube gives you when you reach the milestone of 100 subscribers. Yeah, I reached the 100 subscribers a while back and right now I'm on 260 subs, so I want to reach the milestone of 1000 subscribers at the end of this year. So I want you guys to go and subscribe right away if you haven't. Most of the viewers who watch the video but don't subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video informative, go and give a like to this video. So yeah, I received a comment on my previous video in which I bought King to my mom. So if you're wondering who is King, go and watch my previous video. He is my male beta. So I got a comment saying that I should do some research on the fish before getting them. It needs heater and etc, lots of stuff. So I wanted to reply saying that I do research before getting them, and the bowl in which King is right now is a 3-gallon bowl. It looks pretty small in the video, I know, but it's a 3-gallon bowl, and the water which King is in is pretty warm. So yeah, the water is clean, it is dechlorinated. I take all the necessary precautions as well before putting the fish in. So yeah, I really appreciate it, Megan Vlogs, that you are worried about the fish, but it's pretty good right now. Because when the betta fish is happy, it builds the bubble nest, which it did. The next day I bring the betta fish, it was really happy and it built the bubble nest. So yeah, King is really happy, and when Kings come in today's video, the topic. So I want to say that as you have seen in my previous video, in my previous vlog, I tried to breed them, but it wasn't possible, it failed. I tried to breed him in the bigger container, but it didn't build bubble nest. But when I put him back in his bowl, it built bubble nest. So I think it's pretty happy in that, and as well as I have successfully breeded them right now, and the fries have hatched today. So there will be soon a video of breeding betta fish onto my channel. So stay tuned. Hit the bell notification icon and subscribe as well to stay tuned and watch that video. So yeah, let's continue with our today's video. So I'll be showing you what YouTube gives you. What YouTube gives is a virtual gift, not a physical one like the pack that you will get when you reach 100,000 subscribers. I want to reach there soon as well. So share this video, everything, share my channel with all your friends and everyone in your family. So yeah, if you like this video, go and hit a like. So let's go to our desktop. So yeah, welcome back guys. So what YouTube gives you is a custom URL. I have already claimed it. Let me show you my custom URL. So just we need to type in youtube.com/AminoLawsAMG and it takes right away to my channel. So it's really easier to promote my channel it's really easier to promote my channel, to share it with everyone. So what your URL will be by default is like, so this was my default URL. You can access your YouTube channel with your default URL as well. So my channel name at first was Aminullah7777, so you can't change that. But after you reach 100 subscribers, YouTube allows you to claim the custom URL. And with that custom URL, you can just change the URL into a simple one so that it will be easier for you guys to share your channel with your friends and family. So how to claim that is, just go to your channel's homepage, and after that click on this logo and go to your channel or settings over here and go to advanced settings and just scroll down and you might be seeing this option, custom URL. I've already claimed it, so the interface over here is something different. For you guys it will be like claim, and when you click on claim, It will ask you for your custom URL, what you want to give. It will give you suggestion as well. So I have set that to Aminullah AMG, and yeah, so this is my channel URL. So I didn't even know that I would be able to claim custom URL until when I wanted channel ID for checking out my live subscribers. So I came to this page, and that time I saw the custom URL and it was like claim over here, and we can only claim it when we have 100 subscribers. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. My next video will be breeding the betta fish. The fry have already hatched, but in 2 or 3 days they will be completely hatched. All the betta fry will be hatched. They are really tiny and cute, so that will be my next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload new content and lit content.